Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today tutorial sign up for YouTube TV. A YouTube TV base plan cost $72.99 plus tax month. You can also sign up for Spanish language programming through. Spanish plan cost $34.99 plus tax per month with month. And cost not required a basic plan. Spanish Plus add-on can be purchased along with a basic plan. Learn more below about getting starting with YouTube TV and how to sign up. Computer, Android, iPhone and iPad. If to know before you start. Location requirement and how to turn on location permission. Sign up process. This step below will be help you sign up and customize a channel TV basic plan. Step 1. Sign up for YouTube TV. To sign up, go to tv.youtube.com on a website browser. Click the button to being the trial. Sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Confirm your home location. When you sign up for YouTube TV, you will be asked to share your home zip code. We may also ask you to confirm your location via your device location permission. Doing so will make sure you get the correct location network. If your home zip code show incorrect, select I do not live here and enter your home zip code. Step 3. Customize your membership. Review the network included in your YouTube TV basic plan. You also see the price of your membership. Click next to process to the next step. Add any permission network to your basic plan by clicking the circular next to the network. You can add any number of premium network during your trial. Click next when you are satisfied with your selection. Confirm the credit card you like to use to pay to your membership. You won't be charged until after your trial expires and you can cancel at any time. Click buy to computer the sign up process.